Welcome to Organic Aromas. This is our pump test device demonstration video. A pump test device was provided with purchase of your nebulizing diffuser. You can find it in your original diffuser box. Here, we will teach you how to use this tool to test to see if your diffuser is working properly. Start by removing the glass reservoir. Then, place the test device in the hole on the top of your diffuser. Make sure to press down so it fits snugly. Carefully turn on your diffuser to the lowest volume setting. If your diffuser pump is working properly, the tiny ball should rise to the top. If the ball does not rise to the top, then you know your machine has a problem.